Mandaramnuwara is a small village situated at the foot of Pidrutalagala in the central province of Sri Lanka. The town is also known colloquially as the Misty City, as it is shadowed by the adjoining mountain ranges and is shrouded in mist for most of the day. Mandaramnuwara enjoys a cool and temperate climate. Average temperatures can range from around 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. The winds change throughout the year, getting strong in June and July and bringing mistier weather from November to January. Welcome back to Travel Notebook. In this series, we are excited to share our experiences while exploring the beauty of Mandaramnuwara. Our destination is Tea and Experience Factory in Kabaragalla near Mandaramnuwara. We began our journey in Colombo and made use of two highways, the Southern Expressway from Kottawa to Kodawatha and the Central Expressway from Meerigam to Kurunegala. We proceeded through the A10 road to reach Katugasthuta. The road from Kurunegala to Katugasthuta takes you through a blend of countryside and small towns. The landscape is full of green trees, including coconut palms lining the road. Katugasthuta is the final city en route to Mandaramnuwara. As you travel from Katugasthuta to Mandaramnuwara, you will experience the beauty of Central Highland region. The road winds through hills and valleys, providing glimpses of lush tea plantations, cultivated lands, forest and mountain views. The air is cool and refreshing, and the landscape is dotted with small villages and occasional markets, where you can find local produce and crafts. The road itself is generally well paved, but is narrowed and winding in some sections due to the hilly terrain. Take your time to enjoy the journey, as the route offers scenic landscapes and a chance to soak in the natural beauty of the area. According to the Google map, we have arrived at our destination. However, we need to take the narrow road uphill to reach the hotel. Here we'll highlight a few points along this route. We managed to capture the entire road trip on our way back, and we'll share it with you in another video. Tea and Experience Factory is a tea factory transformed into a hotel. Kaparagalla Estate is one of the oldest tea estates in Sri Lanka. Original factory was constructed in late 1800s and restored to its ancient glory after being abandoned for nearly 30 years. The hotel is nestled in the middle of hills, covered with tea plantations. Since it was July, we felt the forceful winds, strong enough to nudge us forward. Let's go inside the hotel. The factory is 3-storied. Its walls and interior invoke the feeling of a traditional tea factory. Upon learning more, we discovered that the building slabs were originally constructed using the technology of that era, without the use of iron. Remarkably, they remain in excellent condition without a single crack. You can find the spa in the second floor. Kabaragalla Alla is located just 4 kilometers away from the hotel. You can have the opportunity to admire the beauty of Alla while enjoying the refreshing bath in its natural surroundings. You have the option to embark on a hike or a vehicle ride to reach Alla. The hotel provides a complimentary naturalist guide to enhance your experience. Stay tuned for our next vlog, where we'll be sharing our own hike to Kabaragalla. The tea factory is located on one side of the hotel and continues to operate in accordance with the traditional methods. We'll bring you the entire operations in the tea factory in another video. It's early morning. As we step outside, we are greeted by strong and refreshing wind, bringing the scent of tea leaves with it. This is a peaceful place where you can enjoy the natural beauty of hills and the soothing breeze. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to see our upcoming videos.